Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're going to be working on repairing a threshold that transitions from our hardwood to our carpet that was improperly installed some years ago. And we're going to show you what the failure is, what caused the failure, and then we're going to demonstrate how to repair it. Okay, this is one of our thresholds. We've got several of these that transition from hardwood to carpet. And the failure was that there isn't adequate support under the threshold on the carpet side, so when people could step on it, it could rock like that. And over time it worked all the nails loose. They either broke or came loose, and now our thresholds, they just sit there. So what we're going to do is we're going to build up here just above the carpet with some wood that will give the threshold a solid base to sit on. And that's how we're going to fix this, because if this side of the threshold doesn't have a solid base to sit on, it's going to rock when you step on it, and that's going to cause a failure. And this is what we're going to repair today. Now at this point, we've cut our support to go under our threshold so it won't rock back and forth. We're going to put it right there. As you can see from the indentions in the carpet, that's exactly the space it needs to fill. Now I want to nail this down very securely. And you could use most any kind of small nails. I do have pneumatic nailers, so that's what I'm going to use. I've got this one, which actually shoots staples. So that's what I'm going to use to staple this thing down. Like I said, you could use most any kind of nail, but I've got this, and it's easy, so I'm going to use it. So that gets that part stapled down through the carpet into the flooring very securely. It's got the carpet mashed down very good. So now if we put our threshold down there, it's got a real solid base under it. It doesn't rock, and that's what we want. Now to nail the threshold down, we're going to do finishing nails. And I've got a different nail gun for that. This one shoots a longer finish nail. And I've already tested it, and hopefully it'll shoot them deeper than the surface. And it did. And so we'll put several of those across here.
Done.
Cut our compressor off. Now this was hardwood, it's oak, so we're all going to have to take a punch and drive those nails a little bit deeper. Then we'll put some woody putty over them and finish it out. Now that we've got our nails in, they didn't go quite as deep as I'd like, so we're going to take a punch and drive them just a little bit deeper. I'll just do a couple of these, and then I'll be able to show you what we're going to do. Alright, then we've got some wood putty. We're just going to take a little bit of that, press it into those holes, the little divots that the nail head made. Just like that. I got a couple there where we were trying this out. And there we go. We just clean up our finished part. And there we go. And that finishes it off. You could use a little bit of a damp paper towel. Clean that up just a little bit. And those nail heads would almost be invisible. So that's the fix for this threshold that was not installed properly. That was allowed to rock. That the nails come loose and break and different things. But now we've got a threshold with a good solid base under it. We've got our finished nails in it. We've got them puttied over so you don't even notice them. So that gives us a good quality finish. So if you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. And thank you very much for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne.